G'day, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rules in millimetres, the material's been wetted to help bring out the patterns and colours in the material. Okay, I've just gone in a little bit closer so we can see little nut. Got some bright lines in here, but that needs to be ground up to see what you're going to get, I think. Bit of colour up here. That needs to be chased around. Another little line through the top. That bead, I think. A few little lines of colour in here. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.